Greetings-Insuhuzanyo. Insuhuzanyo.
Good morning is mwaramutse neza. Mwaramutse neza. Good afternoon is mwiriwe neza. Mwiriwe neza. Good evening is umugoroba mwiza. Umugoroba mwiza. Hi is bite. Bite. You reply with ni byiza. Ni byiza. Hello is muraho. Muraho. And you reply with muraho. How are you? Amakuru. Amakuru. You reply with ni meza. Ni meza. So if you want to say I'm fine. Long time is iminsi myinshi. Iminsi myinshi. See you tomorrow is nahejo. Nahejo. Goodbye is bye. Bye. Good day is umunsi mwiza. Umunsi mwiza. Good night is ijoro ryiza. Ijoro ryiza. What's up or what's new is niki gishya. Niki gishya. How is everything is bimeze gute. Bimeze gute. When you want to reply with good, you say neza. Neza. If it is bad, you say nabi. Nabi. Pleased to meet you is nishimiye kubamenya.